So friends, today we are talking about Cashbird earning application. Go to Play Store and search Cashbird application. The application, and from this application you can unlimited. Earning can be done without investment, so very much. Best earning application is, in this application you can earn. Many methods have been given. At the same time, you can leave without withdrawal from this application. Can take it back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you with live withdrawal. Log in the application with your mobile number. Have to take and log in. You come to this link, you will get sign up bonus from 11 to 12. So friends will get sign bonus, you can see here. There is an option with daily checking. But you can see if you invite your friend. Let's do it at a friend's place. From here, you can take daily checking. Yes, 1,000 coins.